teach you some motions for the songs we will be doing for the Christmas play. I'm going to be doing the motions mirror image, so I'll be starting everything with my left hand. The kids can go ahead and start the motions with their right hand. This way that when they watch the videos, they'll just be able to copy me. The first song we're going to be doing is Joy to the World. So, joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. So when we do joy, we're going to just go up like this and smile. We're going to say joy to the world. And we're going to make an L. The Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. And we have a crown right on our head. And then we're going to cross our body like this, and we're going to say, let every heart. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Prepare him room. And then we're going to point up to heaven, and heaven with both hands, and then down, nature, sing. We just come right up here and make little loops for singing. And heaven and nature, sing. And then the last one we say heaven twice, so we're going to say, and heaven and nature sing. And that's the first verse. So the second verse, we're going to start like the beginning, and we're going to say, joy to the world. And then we're going to say, the Savior reigns. So we're just going to like have our scepter and our hand on our head. Then we're going to put our hand out and say, let men their songs employ. And then we're going to do the cross motion again. We're going to say, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. So the last verse is a little different because it has two repeats. So we're just going to say repeat, repeat, and we're going to put our hands by our face for 2 counts. So the sounding joy, and that's the second verse. And then the third verse, we're going to say, no more let sins and sorrows grow. Then we're going to have our thorns come up. Nor thorns infest the ground, and they're going to go down to the ground. And then we're going to say, he comes to make, and then his blessings flow. So, he comes to make, his blessings flow. And then we're going to say, put your hand above your head and look out as far as the curse is found, as far as the curse is found. And then we're going to do it below ourselves. As far the curse is found. So this, the words are a little sad. They're talking about sin and sorrow and thorns and curses. But what the song is saying is there's no more sin and there's no more sorrow. There's no more curse. So as we say these words, we want to be happy and rejoicing. Like you can look for it, but you're not going to find it. And then the last verse is going to say, he rules the world with truth and grace. And then we're going to have our truth and grace right here. We're going to come in and makes, and then we're going to cross. And makes the nations prove. And then we're going to take our hands out and we're going to say, the glories of, and we're going to come up again, his righteousness, and put a crown on our head. And then we're going to come out like a W, like wonders of his love. And we're going to make a heart, right? By our heart. And wonders of his love. And the last verse is a little different because there's 2 wonders. And so we're going to say, and wonders, and we're going to push our hands around like this, and wonders of his, we're going to point out, love. And that's the end of the song. So that last verse will look like this. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love.